In today's tutorial, we're going to dive into one of the most powerful functions in Excel, the index functions. Whether you are a beginner or an Excel pro, understanding how to use index is crucial for managing and manipulating your data effectively. So now we start with try to understanding what is the index function. The index function in Excel allow you to retrieve data from a specific cell within a given range. It is a simple sentence like if I type here the index, then use here it say the first argument is the array. This is the range or array of cell from which you want to extract data, then the next one the row number. Okay, this is the row number in the array from which you want to extract data, then the last one the column number. This is the optional argument representing the columns number in our array. If omitted, Excel assume you want to extract data from the specific row only. Okay, now let's look at how to use the index function in extract data. So I will start with example, and here I use the sales person and with the year wise sales report in there. Now I will use the index function to find out. So writing here the index in the first one is the array. Okay, now let me select this array, then the next argument which row number you want to use. Okay, if I want to use like the 4 row, like here you start from the selected arms here 1 2 3 and 4 this row. So I write here the 4, next we say the column number, so from which year you want to use. Okay, like if I want to use the 3 or the 2022, and this is the column 3 from the selected array from the 1 2 and 3, just I am writing the 3, then close it, hit on the OK. So according to our index function, we use the 4 like 1 2 3 4 in here, and after that we select the column 3. So 1 2 3 for this we got the result here 28, right? Now instead of this one, if I use this one like the 5, and instead of the 3, if I say this will be the 2, and here we got it the 100, because we say we use the row number is the 5 here 1 2 3 4 and 5, and then next we say the 2. So from here 1 and 2 column in there. Now instead of the 5, if I use here the 6, so what happened, hit on the OK, and here we got the error because we don't have the 6 row number in our selected array. We have only like here 1 2 3 4 and 5 row in there. So for this reason it gives here the error message in our index functions. Okay, and if you want to handle the error message, you can also use the different like the error message or the different one. Okay, the index function becomes even more powerful. We can combine with other Excel function like the match function or the sum, and you can also combine index and the match functions to find out or use your data set for the various options. Okay, so the index function in Excel is a versatile tools that can help you extract data from table, navigates through dataset and build dynamic report. With a little practice, you will be able to harness its full potential. So thank you for watching.